Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's short podcast. Today, I want to talk about small daily habits. Small habits can change your life. You do not need big motivation. You only need small actions every day. For example, wake up early, drink a glass of water, read 10 minutes, practice speaking English for 5 minutes. Many people wait for the perfect time, but the perfect time never comes. Start with what you have. Start where you are. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. When you speak English, you may feel shy, but confidence grows with practice. Imagine your future self. He speaks clearly. He speaks confidently. He is not afraid. That future person is you. You just need practice. Every day, one step. Every day, one improvement. Thank you for listening. Keep learning. You in the next episode.